I completed my undergrad from Delhi Technological University in New Delhi. Duke University actually has an outstanding reputation both inside and outside the United States. They're solving some of the most challenging problems out there. So as a master's student, I think it's very important to think about what factors you're considering when you're applying for university. And one of them is how much career growth you can expect from the university. So I actually, in my final year, I read up about all the professors, research, courses that are offered at quite a few universities, and Duke University actually had all the boxes checked, and when I knew that, I knew I was coming to Duke. The other thing is I got in touch with quite a few students here before I came here, and they were all really happy with their program and all the opportunities that were offered to them. So yeah, that was just one of the contributing factors to me being here. There's actually two things I like most about this program. The first is the professors, because they're all like super friendly and very approachable. So I feel like they're always open to just having a collaboration or having an open-ended discussion on literally anything. And the other thing I really like is how the courses here are continuously updated. So they're always trying to reflect what the current trends in research is. So when I complete a course, I know for a fact that it's just not textbook knowledge I have, but also I know what's going on in the industry and I'm almost industry ready. So when I got here, I was actually unsure about how I'm going to go around applying for an internship and all those kinds of things, because as a fresh international student, you're usually flustered. So the Spring Tech Connect, one of the representatives from Umbrella actually came here, and he's actually a Duke ECE alum. So I got in touch with him, had a good conversation, and a few weeks later, I actually heard back from Umbrella. Umbrella Corporation, they make chipsets that go into stuff like GoPros and DJI drones and cool stuff like that. They're really active in the computer vision domain, and yeah, they're developing chipsets which extend computer vision functionality. So I was at Umbrella Corporation, I was in the design verification group, making sure that chips work correctly when they're on the field. So one of the things that really helped me get this internship was one of the newer ECE 590 courses which were introduced last semester. It was on hardware verification techniques, and that really helped me prepare me for my interviews and also for the actual work I did during my internship. So I really was happy for that. So I feel like two things actually played the biggest role in me getting the internship. The first was this course because I knew design verification, and the second was Spring Tech Connect because that got me in touch with the actual recruiter. So yeah. So I plan to graduate this December, and once I graduate, I have a few job offers in hand and I'm still looking out for more. So really I just feel that this master's degree has given me all that I need to actually set myself up well in the industry. Really it's just about going out there and just working in the industry for a few years and just finding out if I actually like being there. I might come back to the academia for a PhD or pursue a higher degree, or maybe just continue working in the industry. I don't know.